Before making a purchase, remember to check the review. MySmile LP211 Cordless Advanced Water Flossers for Teeth. The MySmile LP211 Cordless Advanced Water Flosser enhances oral hygiene by efficiently removing plaque and food debris while promoting gum health. Its innovative user-friendly design makes it ideal for both home and travel, ensuring a brighter, healthier smile. Crafted for both convenience and style, the MySmile LP211 showcases a sleek and ergonomic design that is comfortable to lightweight and compact dimensions of 3.12 inches in width and depth, along with a height of 9.36 inches, ensure exceptional portability. The one-piece design reduces the chance of slipping during use and makes water refilling a breeze. With a contemporary look, the device features user-friendly controls, including a power switch and a mode selection light. 5 water pressure modes features adjustable pressure settings from 40 to 150 pounds per square inch, with water pulses ranging from 2000 to 2800 times per minute for personalized cleaning. IPX7 waterproof rating, suitable for use in the shower, enhancing convenience. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless experience with a durable 2000 mAh battery that provides 30 to 35 days of use on a single charge, thanks to its rechargeable design. It includes multiple replaceable jet tips for versatile cleaning options and storage. It comes with a pouch to make travel portable and comfortable. Users discover a powerful and effective cleaning tool. While there might be a slight learning curve when first turning on the device, which is by holding the power button until the mode lights up, users quickly adapt and come to value its advanced functionality. Additionally, discuss the different jet tips designed to meet specific dental needs, making them perfect for individuals with orthodontic appliances or for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. It also states that it simplifies daily routines, although some users may need time to adjust to its powerful water flow. To avoid splashing, for individuals with a busy lifestyle, this teeth whitening water flosser stands out, offering reliable performance without the hassle of frequent charging. Based on the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users and our own experiences, we highly recommend purchasing the product. Please click on the description for the purchase link, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more authentic reviews like this one.